Hello students, today I am presenting my second video on the topic active and passive voice, in which I will tell you how to change the voice according to the tenses. Just to refresh your previous knowledge, I am going to explain you the rule of changing active voice into passive in short. Students, I have told you earlier, in active voice there are three things: subject, verb, object. And in passive voice there will be five things: object, helping verb, main verb, by, subject. Now students, the most important thing while changing the voice is to identify the form of tense in a sentence. Now I will explain you with example number 1. The example is: the man kills the snake. In active voice, I have told you subject should be there, verb should be there, object should be there. Now, whenever we are going to change it into passive voice, remember to identify the form of tense. The word kills indicates that it is simple present tense. Now, rule to change simple present tense is, first of all, you will write object. Then the helping verbs of simple present tense is, am, are. Always I have told you third form of verb plus by plus subject. So what will be the answer? The snake is killed by the man. See, this is object, this is helping verb, this is main verb, this is by, this is subject. Now, example number 2. The man killed the snake. Again, we have to identify the form of tense. It is past tense. Simple past tense. So now what will be the rule? Object, helping verb of past tenses was or were plus third form of verb plus by plus subject. So what will be the answer? The snake was killed by the man. Now, example number 3. The man is killing the snake. Once again, identification of the form of tense is killing. It indicates that it is present continuous tense. So, what will be the rule? Object plus is, am, are. Now one new word, being plus third form of verb plus by plus subject. The word being is used whenever there is continuous tense. And from where we come to know that it is continuous tense? When it is ing is used in verb, it is continuous tense. And whenever continuous tense is there, we will use being. Now what will be the answer? The snake is being killed by the man. Now, example number 4. The man was killing the snake. Again, identification of the tense. Was killing shows that it is past continuous tense. What will be the rule of past continuous tense? Again, object plus helping verb of past continuous tense was or were plus being, which is very important in continuous tense, plus third form of verb plus by plus subject. Now what will be the answer? The snake was being killed by the man. Object is there, helping verb is there, extra word for continuous tense, third form of verb is there, by is there, subject is there. Example number 5. The man has killed the snake. Again, identification of the tense. Has killed indicates that it is present perfect tense. Present perfect tense. So what will be the rule? Object plus helping verb of perfect tense either has or have. Now again one extra word, been, plus third form of verb plus by plus subject. So what will be the answer? The snake has been killed by the man. Students, whenever there is perfect tense, been word will come. So what is this? Object, helping verb, one extra word because of perfect tense, third form of verb, by is there, subject is there. Example number 6. The man had killed the snake. Once again, identification of the tense. Had killed indicates that it is past perfect tense. Had word tells us that it is perfect tense. So what will be the rule? Object, helping verb of past tense is had plus been plus third form of verb plus by plus subject. So what will be the answer? The snake had been killed by the man. Now students, the most important rule. The most important rule in passive voice is that in present and past perfect continuous tense, there is no passive voice. Remember, if the sentence is in present perfect continuous tense or past perfect continuous tense, there will be no passive voice. Now, let's come to next example, example number 7. The man will kill the snake. Again, identification of the tense. Will kill indicates that it is simple future tense. Simple future tense. So what will be the rule? Object plus will or shall plus be plus third form of verb plus by plus subject. Whenever there is simple future tense, one extra word will be used, that is be. So what will be the answer? The snake will be killed by the man. Again, object is there, helping verb is there, one extra word is there, third form of verb is there, by is there, subject is there. Example number 8. The man will have killed the snake. Again, identification of tense. Will have killed. This have word indicates that it is future perfect tense. So what will be the rule? Object plus will shall have been. I have told you earlier also, whenever there is perfect tense, been will come. Third form of verb, by subject. So what will be the answer? The snake will have been killed by the man. So these are the rules in tenses how to change active voice to passive voice. Now students, one again important note in future tense. In future tense, students, there is no passive voice in future continuous tense and in future perfect continuous tense. If your sentence is in future tense or in future continuous tense or future perfect continuous tense, no passive change is there. Similarly, I have told you in present tense and past tense, if the sentence is in present or past perfect continuous tense, there is no passive voice. If your sentence is in future continuous tense or future perfect continuous tense, there is no passive voice. Hope students you understand the above given rules related to the tenses. In my next video, I will continue with some other rules how to change active voice into passive voice. Thank you and have a nice day.